In this video, I will be showing you how to add the Deepseek AI extension to your Chrome browser. Let's get started. I start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome. In the top right corner, I click on the extensions icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. From the drop-down menu that appears, I select the option to visit the Chrome Web Store. Once the Chrome Web Store page loads, I navigate to the search bar located at the top left of the screen. I type in Deepseek AI and press enter to look for the extension. The search results appear, and I scroll down slightly to find the correct extension. I select Deepseek AI, Floating AI Chat, by clicking on its preview card. This takes me to the official extension page. On the right side, there is a prominent blue button labeled Add to Chrome. I click on it. A confirmation pop-up window appears at the top of the browser screen asking to confirm the installation. I click the Add Extension button inside this pop-up. Chrome begins downloading and installing the tool. Next, I want to open the extension to set it up. I go back to the top right corner of the browser and click on the extension's puzzle piece icon again. This time, I see Deepseek AI, Floating AI Chat, listed in my extensions. I click on it to open its settings panel. The Deepseek AI settings menu opens on the right side of the screen. Now, I need to get an API key to activate the tool. I open a new browser tab, click on the search bar, and type Deepseek Platform, then press enter. From the search results, I click on the first link for the official Deepseek Platform website. Once I am on the platform dashboard, I look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on API Keys. The API Keys page loads, showing my existing keys. To generate a new one, I click the Create New API Key button on the right. A pop-up appears prompting me to name the key. I type Demo into the text field and then click the Create API Key button. The system generates the key and displays it in a new window. I click the Copy button next to the key string, and a small green checkmark appears confirming it has been copied to my clipboard. With the key copied, I return to my previous browser tab where the main Google page is open. I click the extension's puzzle piece icon once more and select the Deepseek AI extension to bring up the settings panel. I click inside the API Key input field and paste the key I just copied. The extension briefly validates the key. After the validation process completes, the setup is finished, and the Deepseek AI extension is fully installed, configured, and ready to use inside the Chrome browser. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.